plants at a medical marijuana farm on Oahu's North Shore.
And now, as KITV's Kristen Concilio reports, a state lawmaker is trying to step in to license these farms to prevent this from happening again. Just today, he drafted a bill aimed at creating a level playing field for farms and dispensaries.
A bill backed by Senator Brenton Awa would allow the state health department to issue licenses to individuals or private entities wanting to grow medical cannabis. The move comes after federal authorities raided Care Waialua, a medical marijuana farm on Oahu's North Shore.
We're trying to give people, local people who are growers, a chance at some licenses so they can legally do this. This is about helping people, who have to pay their pockets, not get emptied.
Right now, the state doesn't have rules for these types of farms. Because marijuana is still illegal under federal law, the feds can choose to crack down on the operations. That's what happened at Care Waialua, and now 1,000 patients are without their medicine.
And it's not fair that they take it out on the people that have done everything the state has authorized.
There are only 8 licensees running medical marijuana dispensaries in Hawaii. Under state law, medical cannabis patients are allowed to grow 10 plants each, with no limit on how many patients can grow at the same site.
This situation is really deeply traumatizing for our medical cannabis patient community. The fact that we have federal involvement tells us that there's been a failure in the regulation of our programs.
Care Waialua has leased space for the past 7 years to patients.
We have 980 leases where they pay rent and they are touching their plants and being a part of the system.
The health department told us that certified patients at Care Waialua were reminded last week that only a patient or their caregivers are allowed to grow pakalolo. For now, patients say they're suffering without their medicine. Kristen Concilio, KITV4 Island News.